Model, 2016 Renault Trafic Business Plus SL29 dCi 115 needs turbo. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 152,137. MOT, the 19th of March 2025. Engine, 1598 CCR9M 115 E5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Straightforward turbo replacement job, starstruck. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740119